Hey guys, sorry last video was short. I accidentally pressed the unrecord button, but let's see. Defeat 8 enemies. That's kind of too hard. Or is it? Oh, come on. Yeah, I guess I can do it. Defeat 8 enemies. That is a huge amount. But I'm on hardcore mode, so okay, I can do it now. Whoa, holy smokies, that was a close kill. Oh, come on, now they go up there. Alright, I can still do it. I still have the Tyrannosaurus Rex, even though this is not a Tyrannosaurus Rex. I know what it is called. What? Triceratops. Okay, whatever. Hey, look, a Spinosaurus. I think I can do it with the Spinosaurus, but I'm not really sure. That coconut. Oh gosh, that coconut. Oh, the Biceraptor. Biceraptor, you could have done it. Oh yay, the egg is away. Now we don't have an egg that would irritate us. Oh, come on, the Biceraptor could have done it. Spike. Is it the Spikeathon or the Biceraptor? I think this one is the Biceraptor. I'm pretty sure. Break these coconuts already. Oh, that was an ultimate suicide coconut. Replace random objects. Wow. Let's play. Now, I can't do soccer right now because it's not going to work. It's not going to work. It's going to freeze soon. Or is it? Why isn't it freezing like last time? It usually freezes. Well, I guess it doesn't freeze anymore. Wait, that means I have to restart because I was... Okay. Pouchathon. So I am an expert of the soccer mode. Just for telling you, I'm not trying to brag. I defeated, like, nobody won me before. Pathetic. Oh yeah, I hate this map. I'm being honest, I hate this map. Oh no, get in front of me already. I'm letting him get a free kick. Oh, you're gonna score yourself. You're gonna score your own goal, blah. He's gonna miss. Yep, I knew it. And he's gonna score in his own goal. Again. This is way too boring. See, look at that. I'm just gonna let it go. It's gonna go in soon. Soon, yeah. See guys, I'm telling you, it's way too... Oh, I love this map. Oh, yeah. Haha, missed ya. Oh, Paralletterathon. Oh yeah. Naming some dinosaurs are good times. Terms of service conditions. Block and kick. Oh, come on. Why did I press the speed button? Oh, I know this solution. Oh yeah. I'm out of here. Oh my gosh, that was a close goal. Oh, get off my back. Losers. Big losers. Oh god. Oh, come on, we're on opposite sides. Oh no, you're not doing it. Oh no, you're not doing it. Oh no, I am doing it. Oh yeah. Nobody can win me. Uh-oh. It froze. Guys. I think it froze. Guys. It It froze. It froze. No. No, seriously, it froze.